Okay, sabi ni Sassy Molly, ang ganda ng question na to. What are some of your non-negotiables po before getting married? Well, definitely non-negotiable namin was una, bubukod tayo, tama?
Ay, mga
Nag-usap tayo niyan na
Yeah.
when we create a family, kapag nag-asawa kayo ni Maricar, one is tatayo talaga kami sa sariling paa, hindi kami makikitira kung kani-kanino. Kasi alam namin, although we love our parents, kung tumira kami sa parents namin, hindi kami makakapag-set ng rules or ng guidelines, family guidelines na gusto namin para sa sarili naming buhay. So we respect na our parents have their own beliefs. My in-laws also have their beliefs. Pero kami, bubukod talaga kami because we want our own house, our own privacy, our own peace of mind. Gagawa kami ngayon ni Maricar na, Han, gawa tayo ng sariling family rule na may not be the same as my parents' rule or might not be the same as Maricar's parents' rule. Rules lang namin. So, guidelines namin, priority namin bilang mag-asawa. So, yan, isang non-negotiable yan. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.